Hello guys, welcome to Outsource demo series. Today we are here to discuss our connector, which is Shopify connector, and I already installed this Shopify connector in Odoo, and we have following many options. I will describe all of the many options and their features, and also I will explain all of the things with few examples. Okay, so first of all I will go to the credentials, and in credentials you can create multiple Shopify accounts. Okay, so there is a no limit to create any accounts. You can create multiple times and multiple Shopify accounts. So just you need to be provide the site URL of the Shopify account and the access token, and you can name the label of that Shopify store. Okay, so you can create multiple Shopify store accounts here. Okay, so let's move to the next menu, which is the connector. So currently we are integrating with the few features of Shopify in Odoo. So there are the customers, products, and the orders. Okay, and you have the following options. Either you can import all of the information or you can export that. Okay, and also the next thing is which is the Shopify store ID, and you can select which store that you require to work with that. Okay, and the last thing is that there is a time frame that you can adjust the filter which will be applied, and you can collect the data with specific frame. Okay, and this is the connector option. So I just briefly describe the other many options and then move back to the connector as well. So let's move to the next one, which is the history, and there are the two tabs of history, which is import history and the export history. Okay, so basically these are the information that you can basically it's a statical information related to the new records or updated records. Okay, same in the case of the export. Okay, so these are the statical information that you will get some of the information which number of records are newly created or updated, either Odoo or Shopify. Okay, then the last thing is the Crown automation job. So there are the customized things you can add or customize the Crown automation jobs accordingly, as there is a section of the features that is customer, products, and the orders, and you can enable as per requirements, and also you can specify the uh, parameters of the that cron job. Okay, so these are the many options that we are having in the connector. So we just back to the connector, and we will discuss the features with some few examples. Okay, so first of all we will test out with the customers. So I just go to the just create a new tab, and go to the customers. So as you can see that we currently did not have any customers, so we will try to import from the Shopify. So I just open it, select the option, and select the store of Shopify, and readjust the time frame that we are looking for. So just after that we just click the sync button. So the process will take few seconds. So after when it's completed, then it will show the process is completed successfully, and you can verify from the history as well. Either you are using the export or import operation. Okay, so as you can see that the notification is appeared. So just to go to the customer tab and refresh this. Okay, so as you can see that we successfully imported two customers. Also I will show you in the Shopify. So in the Shopify I just go to the customers, So as you can see that we have two customers and we are successfully imported here. Okay, so I just this is the import operation. In the other end, we can use the export operation as well. Also you can real-time update as well, you can use that. And with the usage of write operation at the real time, you can also use the delete operation as well, which will be delete the customer or anything in Odoo that will be deleted from the Shopify as well. So first of all, I just update the customer data, and after that I will delete any of one. Okay, brackets. So I just open this one and update the information. For example, I just rename the okay, so just rename the customer name. Also you can verify the information as well. There is a tab of Shopify which hold the information related to Shopify. So here you can see the store ID, the customer ID, and the other parameter fields as well that you are required. Okay, so I just rename the customer name and update this. So it will also update in Odoo and as well as in the Shopify as well. So I just verify from here and refresh this one. So as you can see that the customer name is also updated in Shopify as well. So as you can see that the customer related operation, either you can import or export, both are working correctly. And deletion of the customer did not supported by the Shopify APIs. So this is the, I can said this is the main highlighted point, that we did not delete the customer from the Odoo. You have to be deleted from the Shopify. Okay, so this thing is related to the customers. Then move to the products from here. So I just click on the products, select the store ID and adjust the time frame. So I just adjust time frame, and also I will show you the some of the few products that I already have created in Shopify to save the time. Okay, so I just try to be import in Odoo by clicking the sync button. So the process will take few of seconds, and after that it will show the process is completed successfully. So as you can see that the processing is completed of this process of synchronization for the product in mode. So we can check out from the inventory. So just create an extra tab and go to the products. So as you can see that we have three products, and with some of the information related to the variants, price, and the quantity as well. Also I will show you in the Shopify. So as you can see that we have the only three products and all of this information. Okay, so the import of the import process of the product will working as we are expecting, depending upon the defining the time frame in case of using the connector option, or you can use the Cronjob as well. Okay, so it's up to you, you can use whichever option that you are required. Okay, so we will test out the update operation at real time by updating any product of any of description. So in case I just update the price, for example I just put out 111 and save the click button. So it will take few seconds, and you can see that the process is completed. So we can check out from here from the Shopify by refreshing it, and we can open this product. Okay, so I just go to the scroll down, and as you can see that we have updated the price. Okay, So triple one, all of the variants will be applied the price. Okay. Also, you can specify some of the workflows or some of the logic as per your requirements, which things that you are required that has to be changed. Either you are using Odoo or Shopify. Okay, so it's up to you. You can define all of the terms as per your need. Okay. Also, we will use this delete operation if you have delete this term. Also, this will be deleted as well as in the Shopify. Okay, at the same time. So these features relate to the products. Okay, so next move to the orders portion. Okay, so I just create a draft order just to be demonstrate the workflow of the any order. So I will create order draft for the demonstration purpose. So I just click on the create draft order. So I will select the product. So I just select one of these products. For example, I just select the one product and the customer. Okay, and click to save. So this is the draft order has been created. It's the similar behavior just like an order. So it's I just want to be demonstrated in the case of the draft as well. So it's the similar as well. So I just try to import in Odoo. So I just by using the Cronjob. So in Cronjob we you can customize the Cronjob according to the feature. Either you can use the import or export option. Okay, so I just enable the import order option. Okay, and click to save button. So there is a pop-up message will be appear that describe the information of configuration has been updated successfully. So after 1 minute, the cron job will be run and the data will be updated in Odoo. Okay. So we did not need to be interact with the connector. If you need to be for flows of information or data will be automatically, then you did not need to be use the connector option as well. Okay. So I just wait for the cron job run and we can check out the data, either it's imported and the behavior as well. Okay, as you can see that we successfully imported the draft order in Odoo, and with respect to the customer and the price of the that draft order. Okay, so the grand amount will be there, and here is the product that we are selected. Okay, so as you can see that all of the things that we are discussing is work perfectly. Okay, so this is the sale order that we have created in Shopify and imported successfully in Odoo. Okay, also we can create a custom sales order and that will be imported in Shopify as well. So to demonstrate this thing, I just create a quickly sale order. For example, this is the user that we are working on it. So I just select the product. Okay, and also I will add the other product as well. Okay, so I have selected two products and click to the save button. Okay, so the order is successfully created in Odoo and also it will try to be created in the Shopify as well. So let's move to the Shopify and check out either it's created and how is represent all of the things. Okay, so I just go to the Shopify and just refresh the page. So hopefully we have covered all of the feature of the Shopify that we have integrated into the Odoo. Okay, so as you can see that the a newly draft order is created in Shopify with the same customer, and the as you can see the amount, and here is the products that we have selected. Okay, so these are the summarized features that we have discussed with the some few examples. Also, I want to be at a point. This is a I can say that a baseline module and customizable depending upon your requirements. Okay, so if you need these few of requirements did not be exist, then you can ask to support department. Then we will try to be add those requirements as soon as possible and provide all of the things that you are needed. Okay, so I hope you will understand all of the workflows that we have added into the Odoo via Shopify APIs. So happy to use Shopify connector in Odoo. Have a great day. Bye bye.